From Mexico.
Paz en la tierra.
And from Canada.
Goodwill to men.
From Germany.
Friede auf Erde und den Menschen ein Wohlgefallen.
Morocco.
السلام والوئام لمن الإنسان.
Norway. Japan. France. From China. And Italy.
Pace in terra, ai uomini di buona volontà.
During this glorious time of year, and with each passing year, there is one message that rings out around the world in every language. It is a gift of immeasurable value and hope to be handed down with care from generation to generation. Our holiday wish is that everyone, everywhere, joins together with the message of peace on earth, goodwill to men.